Hi everyone, I hope you are well. I am Sandeep and most welcome at this YouTube channel. Officially Sandeep, I hope you are well and you are doing well, my dear friends. If you want to improve yourself, if you want to learn, I think that you can learn well here and you must watch to me if you want to improve yourself, my dear friends. If you belong in village, I think that in your mind come thoughts how we can improve my communication skill, how we can learn lot of us and how we can keep up my thoughts from the public. My dear friends, second I have come for to you a video and you must watch. If you think that I cannot speak fluently and confidently, why you are thinking as? You must think and you have to need know what are you, what you want to achieve and how you can do well in your life, my dear friends. Lot of people are learning, they give time of his work. Also you can give yourself and you can learn well here, my dear friends. When we watching of people, we think that if he is do, why we cannot do. If we are thinking, if we are watching, then in our mind come thoughts we must try to do. I think that I will get do as and I can improve on myself. Also in your mind, in your heart, lot of effort, but you are not trying to do speak, you are not trying to think. Lot of us, my dear friends, think and do work for your ambition in your life. If you want to improve yourself, if you want to gain well in your life, if you are thinking I am poor, I am speaking poor, I will not get speak fluently and confidently, my dear friends, why you are set in your mind, you must remove at this type of talk and always create a positivity in your mind. What are you and what you want to do, how you can do and how you can give best in your life, my dear friends. You must know that at this talk. I think that where am I, there is no matter at this talk, but it is matter lot of us what we are doing in my present. You must know that at this talk. If you think that only you are thinking, you are sit at a chair and you are thinking I will do this work and you are nothing take action for your work, I think that your thinking is waste. Why you are doing it, you must try to do. If you are thinking, you can do well in your life, but you have to need know where are you and what you want to do. First of all, everybody are thinking at this talk how we can do and how we can develop of my communication skill, how we can develop of my English. If you will do, if you will try to speak, lot of barrier create in your mind, I think that the word you will not reach. What you have to keep from the practice, my dear friends. In this type, lot of problem create of everybody who is learning. Also I am learning, when we are trying to speak, I think that lot of barrier create with me. After some time I am learning lot of us and I try to do well. You can watch to me, I am speaking something, so we have then practice lot of us. Because if you want to think, if you are watching to me first time, I think that in your mind come thoughts we must try to speak, but if you will speak a word, next word you will not connect what you have to speak. In your mind come in Hindi word, मैं वहाँ जाता हूँ, I goes there, but in your mind not come lot of word. How you have to think, how you have to keep your thoughts from your video, from your practice, from your English, my dear friends. I think that if you are thinking, you must try to do. I think that you can do well and you can learn well. Nowadays you are watching in this environment, we are surviving lot of winter and we have sat at my home, only we are doing practice, we are making video, and also we can do practice. As if you are spending your college life, you must know that what are you and how you can do well in your life. My dear friends, if you are thinking how we can success in my college days, you are thinking right. You must try to think lot of us. If you are thinking as, I think that one day you will do well in your life. You must try to think lot of us and do work. If you are thinking, you have to need know how you can do, how you will give better response of your work, how you can learn lot of us. My dear friends, my dear brother, I am always say to you, at this talk you have to need know, you have to need know your positivity, what you can do, there is no one can. But till that you will not think about yourself, what is your potential, how you can think lot of us, how you can grow yourself. I think that you nothing you can do in your life, and in your mind there are nothing will come if you will not try to do something for your ambition in your life. You must know that at this time. And I always, when I became a free, and I think that we must make a video, and when I am making video I feel lot of free, because in our mind lot of load it's set. Why I am thinking as I don't know that, but we must try to do well who we are doing. I think that if we are trying again and again, I will get do well in my future. If we are doing, and if we are doing something and we are living doing after a month, 2 months, I think that we can never to success in my life. I know that at this time. And if you are watching to me, I hope you can do well, and you must try to think lot of us about yourself. I hope you can do well and you can learn well. Why we are thinking as? Because we are thinking before in my mind, we are set up in my mind, I will not get to speak anything. Why we are thinking as? If you want to improve yourself, my dear friends, you have to need know, you have to watch yourself how you can do, there is no one can. Only focus your positivity, not see your negative point. If you want to improve yourself, if you want to learn fluently and confidently, my dear friends, I think that there is no one know everything, but he learning from his mistake. They do practice lot of us and try again and again. Also you can do. As for me, if you think that where are you, I think that if you are thinking I am a villager, I belong to village, why we can improve lot of people, improving his communication skill, watching of people. Also you can watch, my dear friends, my dear brother and sister. If you think that if you want to make well, you have to need watch of people, what they are doing and what are you doing, my dear friends, my dear brother. If you are thinking you are a poor and you cannot strong your communication skill, you are thinking wrong, you are thinking totally wrong. You can make better yourself and you can speak. As for me, my dear friends, also I am belong in village, and I think that when I be along, I think that why I am not getting speak fluently and confidently, because this problem is my here problem is, if you are thinking how you can improve yourself, how you can learn confidently, how you can speak without hesitation on the stage, anywhere place, in public place, you have to think, you have to do practice lot of us before. If you are thinking as, if you want to do practice, if you want to learn in English, my dear friends, making surround as type, create environment, what are you and in which type you are thinking and where are you going, you must talk from the people. You must try to do as if you are thinking. If you want to do learn something well in your life. If you want to get something better from the another people, you have to face of people, or you have to watch of people how they are doing and how you can do. If you are thinking I cannot deserve, I cannot do as my dear friends, it is your big mistake. You must do implement and do work at your communication skill. You must try to think how you can collect lot of word and how you can keep your thoughts from the public. My dear friends, I think that if we want to do, if we want to achieve something in my life, we have to do work. If we would not, if only we would think I will gain it, I will achieve it, I will never gain. Till that I will not do work, till that I will not do struggle to reach their goal. My dear friends, you must know that at this talk you have to know, if you are going your field, you must watching of environment, how you can make lot of sentences, how you can create, and how you can think lot of us. My dear friends, if you want to think, if you want to learn English, then you have to think before, then you will get speak something in your word. You have to know in which place you are and in which type you are thinking. So do work at yourself, and I hope you can do improve, you can improve yourself if you are trying to learn well in your life. My dear friends, you must know that at this talk, and I hope if you are watching to me, you can join at my YouTube channel officially Sandeep, and if you are watching first time at this video, you can keep your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.